I'm Kate Zettler, a nurse practitioner with Cornerstone Care Pediatrics in Waynesburg. This month is National Teen Dating Violence Awareness Month, and we wanted to give you a little bit of information of what that looks like and how common of a problem it actually is. 1 in 12 teens, boys and girls, will experience physical violence during a relationship in their teen years. 1 in 12 will also experience sexual violence during their teen years. So it's a big problem that has some big consequences. Teen violence and violent relationships can lead to anxiety and depression, suicide, and drug and alcohol abuse. So as parents, what are some things that we can look for? Like anything, if you notice a sudden change in your teen's behavior, more quiet than usual, crying jags, changes in makeup, bruises or scratches that don't make sense, if you notice that your teen is now avoiding their normal friend group or have changed their friend group, that could be a warning sign that something's going on. If they're always thinking about their partner and their whole world revolves around that partner's happiness, that can also be an issue. Or if your teen suddenly doesn't want to be involved in activities they usually enjoyed with the family. Now, what are some tips that we can give our teens so that they can identify a relationship that might be abusive? If they have a new partner or someone they've been with for a while and you notice that they're incredibly jealous, controlling, that they want to get serious very quickly, and typically don't take no for an answer, that can be an indication that it might not be the healthiest relationship. A few other warning signs might be when the partner uses threats or put downs, or blames the partner for their behavior, saying they wouldn't be so angry if you didn't act that way. So what can we do as parents to help our teens through these kinds of situations? The best thing you can start with is to sit down with your teen and just listen. Even though it might be tempting to break in and give advice, most of the time they just want to be heard and know that it's safe to be heard. Maybe start by saying, no matter what you say, I still love you, I will support you, and I'm not going to push you into any decision you're not ready for. But let's talk about what's going on. Sometimes that's enough. Sometimes teens still just don't feel comfortable opening up to their parents. It is okay to take them to their pediatrician or seek out the help of a counselor or a school counselor or even a friend or another friend's parent that you know and trust that they might feel a little bit more comfortable talking to. Again, listening without judgment. It's important to let the teen know that the abuse is not their fault, that abuse will only get worse as the relationship progresses, and that they have your support in breaking off the relationship, as well as putting in any safety measures that might be needed. If you suspect that your child is involved in a violent relationship, please reach out to Cornerstone Care. We can make an appointment, talk with your teen confidentially, and help guide them through some difficult decisions, as well as provide you some guidance as parents.